Good morning. Scott Love, A to Z Insurance, your trusted choice, independent agent. We started talking in our last video about the 3 reasons why we need insurance. They are peace of mind, to avoid catastrophic financial loss, and because someone requires or makes you carry it. We already talked in a little bit of detail about the first reason, that insurance is all about peace of mind. Today we want to continue with a little more explanation about the second and third reason. The second reason that people carry insurance is to avoid catastrophic financial loss. Most people do not have enough cash or assets to rebuild their house if it's totally destroyed, or go out and buy a brand new car if it's destroyed, or to cover the cost of many things, maybe cover the cost of their business burned to the ground, whether it's the loss of the business income, whether it's the property that the business is housed in. It could be a person that dies, has a lot of debt, and so they need a lot of insurance to pay off that debt, and the survivors would not have enough cash to pay off that debt. And so insurance is the idea of pooling resources to spread out the risk to avoid catastrophic financial loss. You know, if you hit someone else and cause injury to their body, you could get sued for thousands and thousands of dollars, perhaps in the millions. Do you have that kind of money to pay for someone else's medical expenses if you hurt them and you get the ticket and the judge says you're guilty and you have to make it right? So you can see, again, that might be another reason why we carry insurance, is to avoid major catastrophic financial loss, to perhaps even to avoid bankruptcy. The last reason is because someone requires us to carry it or makes us do it. Banks and mortgage companies are, well, oftentimes when they issue a loan, want the house as collateral. If someone fails to make a payment, they can repossess that house and foreclose on it. And so the house is the collateral for the loan. It's a security. But if that house burns down or it's destroyed by a hurricane, where's the collateral for that loan? Now, if the person doesn't make payments on the house, how does the bank repossess a pile of rubble? They can't. And so that's why they require as a loan condition that someone carries insurance covering the rebuild cost, the replacement cost of that house. And it's the same thing. Governments require people to carry car insurance to try to cut down on unnecessary lawsuits. You as a homeowner may require someone to carry insurance. They may have a contractor, say, working on your house. And before you let them set foot inside your house and do the remodeling, you might say, I would like to see proof that you're insured, because you want to know that if that contractor causes damage in your house, he has enough insurance to cover that damage, because he probably doesn't have it in his pocket. And so you can see these are some of the reasons why we carry insurance.